to have a proactive approach to emotional self-regulation. To support yourself, one needs to understand this is all happening in the nervous system, and it's in the biological process of the body, emotions and the body. And also what we feel, what happens in the body is going to also trigger certain thoughts happening in the mind and vice versa. So to have a proactive approach, anything that you want to process to self-regulate has to happen through the body. Has to happen through a process of regulation through the body and the mind. So just thinking cannot self-regulate thinking. But coming back to the thinking process is on too much, come to the body. What supports me to get more connected in the body? What supports me to regulate my emotions? We cannot stop emotions or feelings, but those too will have to be moved through the body or supported by proactively engaging in some sport or quiet time, and also supporting yourself every day by starting off with a healthy, proactive way of living. Sleeping well, eating well, getting up, giving time to take care of yourself, and having space for emotional self-regulation to happen on its own.